Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, we're out in Delaware, going on a charter boat today. September and August is one of my favorite months to go fishing. Big flounders, sheephead, tog, you name it, triggerfish. So this is usually the best time to go. So today, guys, we had a great trip. 40 flounders boat limit today. Big shout out to Captain Brett, Chris as well too, and all the guys. It was a lot of fun today, guys. We pretty much used the rig all day, like a boat rig, just kind of a modified chicken rig. And then I did use a bucktail, and I did get a couple as well. So I hope you guys like it. And here we go, guys. Well, Dale, we're at it again.
Whoop, whoop.
On the boat, right?
Yes, indeed.
Let's go for it today.
10-pounder.
There you go. There you go, Dale.
All right, here we go, guys. We are out in the water. We are jigging for flounder. Guys, the most important thing about flounder fishing, make sure to move that bait. Make sure it's near the bottom or hitting the bottom. If you're using a rig, a bucktail, the flounder react to that erratic action when you're jigging. So make sure to keep on moving. And then, you know, once you feel heavy weight, then set the hook. And sometimes, guys, you'll see that we have to go through some sea bass as well, just to get to the flounder that we're targeting. So get through them, and then you'll get to the flounder. Here we go.
Sea biscuit. 2 sea biscuit. I got it, Chris. Yeah. The biscuits are out.
There they are.
That's why it felt so weird. 2 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And one's foul hook.
Yep.
Really felt heavy.
Yep. Thanks, Chris. Thank you, sir. Felt that one. There we go. All right. Yep, yep. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
All right. Yep, yes, sir. All right, thanks, Chris. Oh, sorry, Chris. Yep. Thank you, sir. There you go, Dale. There you go. I'm trying not to. His elbows were. There you go. There you go. think I need a net on this one. Mike got a good one. Oh, that one will do. Yeah. Conga.
You got the snake.
Woo. I'll pass on that one, Chris.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Could have been somebody. Alright. I was like, I'm big, I'm big. Let's sneak in there.
Good day. Here's a good one. Thumping. Thumping. Might need the net one, this one, Chris. Felt good, but now it's slowing down or swimming towards me. Okay. All right.
Did that rig even hit bottom?
It hit like a few seconds and bam. On the bird. On the bird meat.
On the bird.
Thanks, Chris. Thank you, sir.
Give him the bird.
I think that was 10 seconds.
Oh, man.
Thanks, Chris.
Like, holy shit, that did.
Oh!
There you go. There you go, right now. No. That's the world. What the world? I say, man, I'm stuck on the floor. Cap. No one needs to drink. Cap. Stuck on the floor.
Oh, I thought that was it right there. That was a big one. Thump that one. Yeah. Make sure to hit that, stick that one hard. Okay.
Hey, Ray.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yep. Let's go. Thank you.
Nice, Tim.
Thank you, Chris.
Pretty.
Back in the game. Back in the game. Thanks, Chris. One should be coming your way, Dale.
Okay.
Just dropped it. Just dropped it. Felt good too. Yeah. Felt good. Felt like a good one. Like this. Chris, I got it right there. Oh, feels good.
Good. Nice and steady. Stay with it. Like a nice slow.
Feels good. Swimming or something now.
It's good.
All right, yeah. I will take that. We'll take that.
I guess it did feel good.
Yeah. I felt that one. Chris. Orange. Yeah, squiddos are hitting good. That orange color today though, they went bright. That orange color is there we go. Yep. Hey, nice one, Dad. There you go.
Thanks, Timmy.
Yep, anytime. I saw you busy, Chris. I had to take in. Yep. There you go, Dale. Nice one. There you go. Who's the guy that netted the flounder for you? Nice job.
Something very cool here, and I love this. You see Captain Brett, he's netting a fish. His daughter joined the charter boat trip. She is up on top reeling in bringing in a fish, which is a keeper flounder. She had multiple keeper flounders and always a great time. Looked like she had fun. She is going to be an amazing angler, and this is always great to see here.
Dale, double up. I lift it. Okay.
Let him on the deck.
Yep.
Back in there.
Everyone, thanks so much. That was the end of the trip. Such a great trip here. Great captain, great mate, great boat. Just overall fishing with friends. Hope you guys can get out soon. Again, this is the time where big flounders come out. They're very aggressive, and it's just an excellent time. Please do take care. And until next time. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you can kindly consider subscribing, I would greatly appreciate it for the channel. Thank you. Take care.